Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 12th, 1915. The hardness of the peoples and how they want to be touched in their own flesh. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came for a little while, telling me,
"My daughter, how hard the peoples are. The scourge of war is not enough. Misery is not a sufficient dose to make them surrender. They want to be touched in their own flesh, otherwise one gets nowhere. Don't you see how religion triumphs on the battlefield? And why? Because they are being touched in their own flesh. This is why it is necessary that there be no country which will not be caught in the net in one way or another. But almost all will be exposed to being touched in their own flesh. I do not want to do this, but their hardness forces me to."
In saying this, he was crying. I cried along, and I prayed that he would make the peoples surrender with no slaughter and no blood, and that all be saved. And Jesus,
"My daughter, everything will be enclosed in the union of our wills. Your will run together with mine, and will impetrate sufficient grace to save souls. Your love will run within mine. Your desires and your heartbeat will run within mine, and will ask for souls with an eternal heartbeat. All this will form a net around you and me, and we will remain as though woven inside of it. This will serve as bulwark of defense, and while it will defend me, you will be protected from any danger. How sweet it is for me to hear, within my heartbeat, the heartbeat of a creature which says within mine, 'Souls, souls.' I feel as though chained and conquered, and I surrender."